Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Remember these? They were in my recent Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. This will be a very quick video because in a recent Dollar Tree haul video I shared with you what they're calling wall art. But y'all know on my channel we are not going to use these for wall art. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because, like I said, this is going to be a very quick little tip video on how you can use these. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So just in case you missed that Dollar Tree haul video or you want a refresher on what I shared, I'll have it linked below. One of the things that I shared these wonderful things that Dollar Tree is calling wall art. Now to me, this is not wall art. I wouldn't put this on my walls, but there are other ways that we can use sheets like this. And as a matter of fact, we're going to use this one today because I want to share with you a very quick and easy way to take one of these 5x7 glassine bags and dress it up, complete with a topper. So all of this is wall art with the exception of the word joy and these little snowflakes. All of it is wall art. This is decorative paper that I'm using as the topper, but I use that wall art to create these fun little bags that can then be filled with all types of goodies. You can put gift cards in them, you can put cash. They're so multifunctional, but they are a very quick and easy way to craft, and it doesn't have to be for Christmas, any season, any reason, anyone, because the Dollar Tree or your favorite store probably has something like this for all seasons. I just happened to notice them this season. But it's going to be very, very easy what we do. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just make a topper piece. And I have a piece that measures 5 by 5 1/8. And on the 5-inch side, I'm going to score this at 2. Y'all, this is a very quick little Wednesday craft. It happens to be Wednesday today, so I don't normally post, but I thought I would share this. And I do want to start sharing ideas for that haul. So here's how we're going to do this. This is the front of my bag. The seam runs along the back. You can decorate the back too if you want, but when we put it down, we're going to put it down with the 3-inch side in the back, the 2-inch side in the front. But before I actually put this down, I am going to find my little cutie. What do I want to put on here? So I'm just going to open this. So I think what I want to put on here is I'm going to start with the one that says cookies for Santa. And y'all, these are very sticky and they stick well to the glassine bags. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this probably a little bit backwards from the way that some of you would do it, but this is the front and I don't want my bag being opened from the front. So I'm going to take this and see if I can get it placed down nice and even. Let me take a look at this because I can lift it if I need to. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to lift just a little bit here. Do need to do just a little bit of lifting to get this nice and straightened out. So let's go ahead and get that straight. Smooth that, smooth that. So this is going to be the front of our bag, and on the back side of the bag, this is where we'll actually open the bag. So I am just going to take a little bit of my tape, put that tape there so that it will stick, and now when you open it, you'll be able to go in from the back to pull out whatever it is you have on the inside, and we'll close that in just a minute. But here on the front, cookies for Santa, I think I'm going to take this little ginger because I think some gingerbread cookies would be enjoyed by Santa. So I am just going to peel this, and like I said, these are nice and sticky. So this is a little bit more whimsical than what I normally do. But there is nothing wrong with the whimsy every now and then. And so I think that that's all I want to take from this one. Now I'm just going to grab a sticker sheet, because here on the back, I'm just going to close the back of this with a sticker. And I think the sticker that I'm going to use is All I Want for Christmas is You. And we're going to put that right there. That will hold everything closed, but this will lift so that you can very easily go on the inside and place whatever it is you want to place. And I think that here on the bottom, I'm going to take this little candy cane piece of Rick Rack, that's what it reminds me of, and we're going to put it down right there just to add a little bit more cuteness to this bag. And I'm going to trim away the excess and trim away the excess here. And y'all, that's it. And then on the back I put the word peace so we can lift up there. And on the back of this one I put a perfect Christmas so you can lift and go through the inside that way. So we have this really quick and easy way that you can decorate these glassine bags. I'll have them linked in the description box below, but you can decorate them using those Dollar Tree wall art, or even if you have stickers that resemble this, you can use those. Like I said, this is just a little bit of the fun and the whimsy that I occasionally like to do on my channel, and it's also a quick and easy way to give you guys an idea of how to decorate a little bag in a hurry. But this is a great way of handing anything off to someone. Just fill it and there you go. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun way that we can use those Dollar Tree wall art pieces in our crafting for any season, any reason, anyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.